What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max MagSafe clear case. Let's get it. So again, the iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case MagSafe. Try saying that 3 times fast, you know? So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. Very beautifully designed case. And it's just something nostalgic about opening up an Apple product. Let's go ahead and open her up. So we're going to pull this tag right here. Really cool how Apple really designs their cases and just any other product that you purchase from them. It just gives you like a nostalgic feel, like you're getting something premium here. So we open her up here. Let's see what's inside. We got our case. Oh man, this case is gorgeous. I even like how they put it in a certain kind of wrapping and stuff, you know? Really cool design. Oh man, look at this case. This case is getting it, man. Like, this case is absolutely gorgeous. Really thoughtful with the design. So we unwrap it here. Really smooth, really clear. I wonder how long it would take for this to kind of yellow, you know? Like, I've had other clear cases in the past, and some of them kind of yellowed pretty fast. Now let's see, Apple, don't go cheap on me here. This is an expensive case. Got to come through with the Apple stickers, man. What? Oh, Apple, you played us, bro. No Apple stickers here. So let's see what we do got. A bunch of information that we're not going to read in order for us to use the case. Now that we got it all unwrapped and everything, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Very premium type of plastic. This is different from other plastic cases that you may have had in the past. But let's see what it looks like on the phone there. So I have here the 12 Pro Max, and we're going to try this out with the 12 Pro Max MagSafe Apple case. A really long name. I don't know if they ever think of, you know, the iPhone 13 MagSafe. What are they? Just iPhone 13 MG cases, something like that. Go ahead and pop this puppy in here. Oh man, I like that. Yeah. So as soon as you pop it in, you get like the little MagSafe charging going, letting you know that it's charging for MagSafe. I think that's pretty cool. I happen to have one of the MagSafe chargers handy, so I'm going to put that with it and see what we got. Let's go grab that right quick. So we got on our 12 Pro MagSafe case, and then here's the MagSafe charger, and just like that, click. It was really straight to it, man. Really easy. I want to test out the durability of this. I wouldn't suggest you do this at home, but, you know, maybe up under a pillow or something. But it took quite some time for this to kind of drop out my hands here. You know, Apple really designed this case to be really, really rugged and tough, but at the same time looks sleek and elegant. Really cool, really cool. So when you charge it, you get this really cool, like, MagSafe charging sign on the front. It's really cool, man. Can't do anything with it. It doesn't do anything extra, but this is really cool. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, this will be a definite pickup for you, something I know that you will love. And let's see that charging again. Yeah, man. The charging is really, really cool. And I could see, you know, maybe in future iterations of this, I'm having like a smaller MagSafe. Well, guys, that was a quick unboxing of our MagSafe case. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. For Steph J. Vaughn, I'm Steph J. Vaughn Reviews. Catch you in the next video. Let's get it.